Have you ever watched a finance video and felt like it was made to sound intelligent, but not to actually help you move forward? Where every sentence sounds complex, yet your financial situation remains exactly the same. That is not an accident. Most financial content today operates on two extremes. On one side, overcomplicated explanations filled with jargon that only a small percentage of people can follow. On the other, oversimplified advice that sounds practical but never leads to meaningful results. Save more, spend less, work harder. These ideas are not wrong, but they are incomplete. And incomplete information is one of the biggest reasons people stay financially stuck. Because real wealth is not built on surface-level habits. It is built on structure, on understanding how money actually moves, how it is positioned, and how it is protected over time. There is a version of the financial world that is visible to everyone. And then there is another version, quieter, more calculated, less emotional. A version where decisions are not made based on trends, but on long-term outcomes. Where wealth is not chased aggressively, but built deliberately. That difference is what separates those who appear successful from those who are actually in control. I have spent enough time around that environment to understand one thing clearly. The gap between what people are taught and what is actually practiced at higher levels is much larger than it should be. And that gap comes at a cost, not a small one. It costs people years of effort, missed opportunities, and in many cases, a lifetime of working hard without real financial freedom. Because of where I come from, there are certain boundaries that are not crossed. Visibility is limited. Identity is not fully revealed, not as a limitation, but as a principle. So instead of staying silent, a different approach was chosen. A character, a voice, a format that allows the message to be delivered without exposing what does not need to be exposed. But make no mistake, this is not a persona built for entertainment. It is a channel built to translate a perspective that is rarely explained clearly. There are certain patterns in how financially strong families operate, not what they say publicly, but what they consistently do over time. How capital is handled, how risk is approached, how decisions are filtered before money is ever deployed. These are not complicated secrets, but they are not commonly explained either. Because most public conversations around money focus on activity, not accuracy. People are taught how to earn. Very few are taught how to think. And without the right thinking, income alone changes nothing. That is why you will see individuals earning high salaries, yet constantly under pressure, and others earning far less, but steadily building control over their financial position. The difference is not luck, it is not timing, it is clarity. Clarity on what matters and what does not. Clarity on which decisions compound over time and which ones quietly drain progress. This channel exists to bring that clarity forward, not in a complicated way, not in a theoretical way, but in a way that can be understood and applied. This is not a channel focused on quick wins, and it is not built around trends. Because the truth is, most trends exist to distract, not to build. The real progress happens in areas that are often ignored. How expenses are structured, how major decisions are evaluated, how money is allocated with intention, not emotion. Small adjustments made consistently over time. That is where the shift happens. Not overnight, but in a way that is stable and difficult to reverse. There is a pattern you will start to notice. People who focus on appearance often struggle with stability, and those who focus on structure quietly move ahead. This is where most people get it wrong. They are taught to look successful before they are actually secure, and that gap creates pressure. This channel will address that directly. You will see how certain common decisions lead to long-term limitations, and how small changes in approach can shift your position over time. Not through extreme effort, but through better direction. The goal here is simple: to help you move from reacting to money to controlling it, from short-term thinking to long-term positioning, from constant pressure to measured stability. This is not about doing more, it is about doing the right things with consistency. If that is something you are ready for, then stay with this. The next videos will begin breaking this down step by step. I'll see you there.